Rev up your engines!
Tyler Carroll says, I got an '01 Dodge Dakota. It revs and tries to go even when at a stop sign. Why? Okay, a car that revs by itself. There's generally two main problems. One is a vacuum leak. If you have a vacuum leak with air sucking on the engine, it sucks in more air and it makes the engine idle higher. So check for vacuum leaks. I have a very good video called Finding Engine Vacuum Leaks with a Cigar. Check that out. See what it works. See if that fixes it. Now, if it's not that, it's often a crudded up throttle. The throttles open and close to let air into the engine. And if they get dirt and carbon buildup, they'll stick open and then it'll make them idle faster. I got a video for that too. It's called Make Your Car Run Better with a Little Spray Cleaner. Just type that in, watch it. The spray cleaner will cost you like $12. You can easily clean it yourself. It's not that big of a deal.
So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.